like I said, it'd be nothing to make a phone call and have those needs met. But the life that I'm manifesting for myself, it's really important for me to have quality people around me. You know, I don't want to just have somebody around to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get my coochie scratched. Yeah. We're getting ready for this abundance walk. It's a daily walk that I take. And basically, I just like focus on the things that I'm attracting, that I want to attract in my life. I use it as a time to just woosah. It's not yet a walking. What am I looking at? Why am I? This is how you know I'm tired. Why am I looking at the light talking? Oh my goodness. Anyways, it's not yet a walking meditation yet because I haven't made my way up to that. So I listened to Joe Dispenza for a little bit. It's only like 15-20 minutes long. Listen to Joe Dispenza for a little bit. Go ahead and get my walk in. And then like maybe the last 10 minutes or so, I use that as a time to just visualize what I want my life to look like, the things that I'm attracting, the way that I want to feel. So it's just like a visualization yeah. Ooh, girl, you know what I'm trying to say. A visualization meditation. Kinda, you know. So yeah. I'm gonna take this boneless bonnet off. It's boneless. I gotta get another one. I gotta get a new one. It's been stretched out. It's been through some things. It's seen some things. And I'm gonna get dressed and get ready to go. So let's go.
You're looking to transform your health. Maybe you're looking to build a business. Maybe you're going through a really tough time in your life right now. Bad health, divorce, heartbreak, business failure, career stagnating. No matter what, you think you're at the top.
You're either with me or against me. Bring it in.
I'll show you the methodology, why it works, and how you can apply these same ideas to take your life, no matter where it is, to the most incredible level possible.
I'm taking file.
You gotta understand.
Not too much.
That designed this process that is transforming the way.
Not too much. Okay. The thing with these abundance walks, please don't get it confused with a hot girl walk. You know, I know the hot girl walk is like all of the rave now. Everybody's getting super cute. They're going out. They're looking good. They're, you know, this ain't that. This is, and don't get me wrong. Sometimes I do look really good. I look good on my walks, but it's more so. It's not about the looks with these walks and like feeling hot, looking hot. It's more so about, it's an exercise for the future. So yeah, you know, sometimes I look good with my matching two-piece set on. I look good. Oh my mama, oh my hood. I look fly. Why did I just change the whole tempo of that song? I look fly. I'm so excited for when I get a new bed set, or yeah, a new bed, what you call this? Like comforter and stuff, baby. I already got it on my wish list. I'm getting a duvet, you know what I'm saying? A duvet. I'm getting, like this, no, I'm getting a duvet insert, and then I'm getting like this design. It's boho, real cute girl. And yeah, I'm getting a mattress pad to like fluff up my bed, because it's like one of those box mattresses I got a couple years ago, and it's kind of firm now for me, so I need something to soften it up. But all of that together is gonna cost me like $200, so I have to wait. Oh, I'm ready to be wealthy. I'm ready, God. It's me. I'm ready. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. My car has always done some like weird stuff. I got my Fitbit watch. Oh, it's 6:59. I wanted to get there a little bit before 7, but it's okay. I apologize for the lighting not being that great, but sometimes you gotta just do what you gotta do. If I waited until my lighting was ideal, if I waited until my lighting was ideal, I wouldn't upload anything. And I told myself that I'm no longer going to be in that space of, oh, it has to be perfect. It has to be perfect in order for me to do it, because there's no such thing as perfection. And I'd rather grow through this than to just be stagnant because of some stuff that, it's not that important right now. So here we are with the lighting being how it is, and that's okay. Hopefully the message still is well received. How do I, like, as a woman, how do you not have lip gloss in your purse, girl? How embarrassing. Are you not embarrassed? I got some lip gloss in this car, but it's gold. It looks really weird when I don't. Oh no! Oh, I got my head. Oh, there go the cops right there. Oh, wow. What's the speed limit? I don't even know what the speed limit is back here. When in doubt, 35 it out. We're gonna put these headphones on and be on our merry, jolly way. 7:03. Let's go, girl. You can't see it right now, but the sunrise is another reason why I like to go at this time, because it's just so pretty. But you can't see it from here, so sorry. So I feel like it's very important to have routine, especially when your whole freaking life has been shaken up. Like, all you have is your routine when everything else around you is just changing so drastically. And for like 2 weeks, I did not have a routine, and I was miserable. And I was miserable because I didn't have an eating routine or an eating schedule. Like, I was literally eating fast food, literally for the whole freaking month of August. Y'all, I ate out almost every single day. If it wasn't fast food, I was like Grubhub or DoorDash or whatever. But I didn't have a home cooked meal for real. So I didn't have a routine of a home cooked meal. I didn't have a workout routine. I wasn't going to yoga anymore. Like, I just fell off of all of these things because, I'm still working on self-care, even though I am the self-care queen. Okay, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I do get so hyper-focused on what's going on that I allow myself to fall off, and I push things off. Oh, I'll get to it later. Like, I told my homeboy so many times, like, next week I'll go to yoga. Next week. He's like, all right, at this point, girl, I'm going to stop asking you for this bump. I just was online talking about how my skin is clearing up, and then I get a bump because I was eating 5 packs of Gushers a day. Okay, but we'll get into that in a second. But yeah, like, I wasn't eating well. The weekend of me moving and stuff, I barely drank water, and we were like drinking, sweating. I was so stressed. Get your routine back. So, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting my routine back. I'm doing my walks. I've been cooking at home, baby. I made fried green tomatoes. You can't tell me nothing. What else? I've been painting, just having fun and bringing that creativity back, and also not scrolling. Like, I was doom scrolling a lot, because I honestly just, I just didn't know what else to do. Hold on. I think that's better. That's about as good as it's gonna be. Good morning. So, dang, that looks ashy. I would turn it around, but I kind of need to see myself when I'm walking like this, because I'll have the camera like this. So anyways, girl, yeah. So get that routine back. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna make you feel so good. It feels great. At first, it's painful. It's like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to get up at 6 o'clock and meditate and stretch. and get, start getting dressed and then come to this park and walk and visualize the future every freaking day. Like, no, I don't want to do all of that. I don't want to have a cook. I gotta cook, which I don't mind cooking now. Yeah, at first you don't want to do it, but then when you get it, you just feel good. You have something to look forward to that's gonna make you feel good. And I'm all about the feel good girls, So yeah, and on top of that, I feel like when you don't have halfway there, oh, I'm walking too slow. I gotta speed up a little bit. I gotta get off of here because messing with my walk. But another thing that I'm working on is addiction. And it's nothing crazy. I mean, it is. It's sugar. And if you know me, you know I'm not a sweets person. Like, anytime people are like, try this. Oh my God, you'll love it. Oh my God, it's so good. You'll love it. I'd be like, I'm okay, because I'm not a sweets person. I'm a salty type of person. And they say when you are craving certain things, your body's trying to tell you something. And I do absolutely feel like my body is, sugar is like a feel good. Makes you feel good. It, gives you a little bit of energy, even if it's artificial energy. And it's also connected to your sacral chakra. And mind you, I just went from like a year and almost a 2-year relationship to just singledom. And like my situation has just like drastically changed. So I don't have that like physical intimacy on purpose, because I absolutely refuse. Like, when I got back outside, I was like, oh, the men's is everywhere. They're everywhere, y'all, okay? But to actually be bothered by them, ooh, I hope they don't see. I don't even care. To be bothered by them is like so different. Like, I'm just in a point in my life where I don't want to have to like appease to the man's ego. Like, I don't want to have to sit here and stroke your ego, and I'm sitting here having conversations with you because I like to have certain conversations, and I have to sit here and stroke your ego and make sure that I don't say anything that makes you feel dumb, because you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. For what? Some company? Like, I'm just not in a mood to really just play the game right now, And I'm also not in the mood to just have someone around just for the sake of having someone around. I really just want to focus on quality company right now. So the sugar being connected to the sacral being connected to intimacy. If I'm not mistaken, it's like, it is intimacy, but it's also relationships, I believe, and something else. I'll put it on the screen when I can find it. And I know those are the things that I'm working through right now. And if I was in my low vibrational energy, like I said, it'd be nothing to make a phone call and have those needs met. But the life that I'm manifesting for myself, it's really important for me to have quality people around me. I don't want to just have somebody around to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get my coochie scratched. Yeah. If you're going to be around, baby, we got to be building something, or you got to be helping me with something. And listen, ladies, we're not in the era of just giving our energy, our life force away to people for the sake of what? Some like freaking for a quick good time? No, thank you. So yeah, my sugar addiction, what I've been doing for that. Yesterday, I didn't eat Gushers. I was eating like 5 packs of Gushers, like 3, 4, 5 packs of Gushers a day. And if you know me, like, I absolutely love Gushers, but I stopped myself. I didn't have any yesterday. When I had a craving for like sugar, I just drank this electrolyte drink that has like a little bit of sugar in it. and that held me over. It was hard though. I'm thinking about them gushers now. So yeah, so I'm going through that, getting these routines. I'll make a more, I don't want to say quality because this is quality too. Ooh, I look good. I'll make a more detailed video about routines, new routines, things that I'm trying, things that I dropped from my routines, and we're gonna get ready for fall, y'all. If you're going through a breakup of any kind, it could be a friendship breakup, it could be, intimate, whatever, breaking up with your job, whatever the case may be, check out my last video because I feel like I dropped some gems in there. I was asked to make a more kind of like a sit down video with it and kind of give more details about everything, and I will do that. I just need to get an opportunity to sit down and actually write everything out and actually get the setup going and all of that. So once I do that, y'all will get your video. But for now, just enjoy these pockets of just realness and rawness, okay? Because that's just where I am right now.